Hi guys, I am Dr.S.Nandhabalaji. Today we are discuss about the nanomaterials ball milling method. It is the approaches of top-down approach material. We know that the nanoparticle approaches of top-down approach and bottom-up approach. Now we are discuss about the how the top-down approach is making of nanotechnology is manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular or supramolecular scale. A nanometer is 1 billionth of meter, 10 times the diameter of a hydrogen atom. Top-down process ball milling method, it's shown in the figure. In bulk material is a base material. It's bombarded to the fragments and fragments are bombarded to the nanostructured devices. These are called as a top-down process method. In the method is creation to the ball milling method. First of all, we are doing a small activity. In like the questions of two different questions. One is I am a white and used for cutting a grinding. When I am damaged, humans usually remove me or fill me. For most animals, I am a useful tool. What am I? How do trains turn? Their wheels are on solid axle. So when one wheel turns a turn, so too will the other. We know that the inner rail of a curve is shorter in the curve than the outer rail. Some people think that perhaps one wheel slips, but with the weight a train puts on a wheel, there is no appreciable slippages. So how do trains turn? This is the activity, and we are discuss about the ball milling method. In the principle of impact and attrition, size reduction is done by impact as the balls drop from near the top of the cell. Step in ball milling method, it consists of balls and a mill chamber, a stainless steel container and many small ion hardened steel, silicon carbide or tungsten carbide balls are made to rotate inside a mill or drum. The powder of a material is taken inside the steel container. This powder will be made into nano size using the ball milling technique. This is the schematic diagram of the ball milling structured material. And the approaches of the magnet is placed outside the container to provide the pulling force to the material, and this magnetic force increases the milling energy when milling container or chamber rotates the metal balls. The ball to materials mass ratio is normally maintained at 2:1:3. These silicon carbide balls provide very large amount of energy to the material powder, and the powder then get crushed. This process of ball milling is done approximately 100 to 150 hours to get uniform fine powder. Ball milling is a mechanical process, and thus all the structural and chemical changes are produced by mechanical energy. Advantages of ball milling process: nanopowders of 2 to 20 nanometer in size can be produced. The size of nanopowder also depends upon the speed of the rotation of the balls. It is an inexpensive and easy process. Disadvantages of this ball milling process: as the process is not so sophisticated, therefore the shape of the nanomaterial is irregular. There may be containments inserted from ball and milling additives. This method produces crystal defects. These are the references. Thank you guys. நம்ம வேல்மில்லிங் முடிச்சாச்சு. அடுத்து பிசிக்கல் பேப்பரும் இது வந்து இருக்குது. போடு 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 டக்குனு வீடியோ எடுத்து